OnCloud uses a system of locations and areas to organize camera devices within your OnCloud account. To add a location, locate the Locations panel in the Organizations page. Click Manage. Click Add Location. Enter the name of the new location. As you type the location's address, a list of suggested addresses will appear. Selecting one will automatically fill in the location's time zone. Optionally, you can select a contact person for this location. You must add at least one area to a new location. Click the plus button to add the new area. Click Create Location to finalize creation of the new location. If a location needs to be edited or have an area added, find the location to be edited on the map. When zoomed out, areas with several locations close together will be displayed as a cluster, with the number of locations contained within. Clicking on the flag will zoom the map in, allowing you to see individual locations. Click on the location to be edited. Click Edit to reveal the location's details. From here, you can edit the location's details and add or remove areas. The location can also be deleted by clicking Remove this location. Click Save Changes to save the changes made. To learn more about OnCloud, visit us at hanwhavisionamerica.com.